Looking at gold this week, you can see that price has been moving to the upside here to the 1251 zone, or I should say the bottom of that zone. And as we look at price moving into 1251, we can see that this has really been a point of origin for the most recent move to the downside here. So I'm looking to see price bounce off of this area in the up and coming week, and for price to possibly stutter out right around in this nice new aqua level that we have formed here. Is this going to happen this coming week? Well, I definitely could see us moving to the upside this coming week as we move into the 1251 area. Is it going to bounce right off this zone line? I cannot tell you that, but I do see us moving to the upside. Overall, though, I would like to see us move back to the downside into the 1146 zone, but this is very, very long term. But for this week, I could definitely see us moving into 1251. Moving over to the daily time frame, again, we're going to be looking for the 1251 zone, but on the daily time frame, that zone looks a little bit different. That is a weekly zone up there, but on the daily time frame, we can see that there's some nice confluence starting at 1272. So this week I am looking for price to rally up into the upper echelons of 1250 up into like the 1272 area. I do like to use multiple time frames of confluence, so I think it would be really cool if we could get confluence up there at 1272 with the weekly zone as well. So I'm looking for push to the upside. We really need to break the 1237 daily supply zone here with a little bit of gusto in order for all of that to happen. But I think that can happen as we've had several bounces off of this level, and it looks like it could be a nice area for a correction to happen here. Looking at the 4-hour time frame here, again, you'll see the top of the blue zone here at 1237. We need to break that with a little bit of gusto. This zone has been hit once just based upon the color of the level. Therefore, we know that it could be weak, and we're just looking for price to power through this and to move up even higher this coming week. So even though I can see things going to the downside, for this coming week, I really like the trend being up. Here on the 4-hour time frame, you can also see the resistance here at 1256 up to 1267. Again, nice confluence with the daily and the weekly zones up there. And after we beat the 1237 area, then I think we could easily fly up into that range. Looking at silver this week, I'm looking for a continued rally to the upside here as price looks like it's going to continue to rally up into the $18, and I'd like to see it rally up into the highs there at 21. But for right now, for what do I think it can realistically do in a week, I could see us continuing to move to the upside here. So I'm looking around the $19, $18.50, $19 area. Looking at the daily time frame, and I think this really exemplifies what I'm looking at and really gives us a nice detailed view of this move that I was talking about a little bit on the weekly time frame. I can see us bouncing off of this nice aqua zone here that has just turned blue and then powering into the 1850 to 1900. Okay, this nice little aqua level up above us. So I see that move continuing on here this week as we look at silver moving to the upside. And I'm considering this as being one nice big retracement that silver has been in over the past few weeks. And now we're going to be retesting the highs there again at like 21 area. But first, I think we need to get up here into the 1850 zone. Looking at the 4-hour time frame, you can see here that we have a little bit of resistance to break through to the upside up there at 1775 roughly, and then we can move into the 1850 area, $19. This 4-hour level is coming in, the bottom is coming in at 1880. So again, there's a lot of open space to roll to the upside here as soon as we break the little bit of resistance that we have going on right now. So I could see us powering through that and then coming a good distance here, again, right around the 1850 mark. I don't know why that sings to me so much, but I could see us definitely moving into the $18 to $19 mark, and that's where we also have this zone confluence down from 1912 down to 1880. Okay, so nice zone confluence off the weekly, the daily, and the 4-hour time frames up there. So I'd be looking for a move to continue on this week to the upside into that area.